Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free pet in Fish It game of Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The latest update has been released in Fish It game of Roblox, which is called the Copper Canyon and Pets update. And in this update, you will be able to have pet to help you fishing. And if you want to get pet, you need to go to this pet shop at the Fisherman Island, and you're going to talk to Clara, and you're going to view pets right here. But unfortunately, guys, if you want to have the pet, we need to have Robux. We can buy the Founder X with Robux, but don't worry because you can still get free pet, which is this Tabby Cat. If you want to get it, you need to finish the quest from Clara. You can talk to her, and then the quest will be started. And the quest is called, wait guys, let me open up the quest I've completed to get this Tabby Cat. I've already, okay, this one, the Helping Hand quest. And to complete this quest, you need to fish guys, and you need to have you need to catch what is called wait, let me show you this one, big pet color, and also the salmon fish. You can fish anywhere guys, and then you will be able to catch this big pet color and also the salmon fish. You can fish at the new island, or you can fish here at the Fisherman Island, or anywhere. And if you're lucky, you will catch the salmon and also the color. And it will help you completing this quest, the Helping Hand quest. And the reward is the Tabby Cat. If you want to equip it, you can go to the items menu and click on the pet. And you can click on the pet to equip the pet. And for this Tabby Cat, it will give you 5% luck for fishing. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the free pet in Fish It game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!